Quite often, researchers will attribute 100% of EBITDA growth to investment manager skill or GP value add, and 100% of multiple expansion to broader market forces or luck. Sadly, this lazy interpretation occurs even in the academic literature, so all else being equal, it is generally better for the GP if more value lands in EBITDA growth and less lands in multiple expansion. Fortunately, GPs have some control over this. Regardless of what model is being used, EBITDA growth is always proportional to delta E, the difference between entry and exit EBITDA. And multiple expansion is always proportional to delta M, the difference between the entry and exit multiple. So, making yourself look like a more skillful GP with more EBITDA growth and less multiple expansion is as simple as providing numbers that give bigger delta E's and smaller delta M's. Now, that sounds a bit manipulative. I certainly do not advocate for GPs fudging their numbers to artificially inflate certain value drivers. However, in my experience, many GPs are already doing this, but in the opposite direction. Because of certain biases, GPs tend to send LPs numbers that artificially deflate delta E in EBITDA growth and artificially inflate delta M in multiple expansion.